Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit board on Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open up your Pinterest app. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Select the board that you want to edit. Tap on the three horizontal dots at the top right corner of your screen. Select Edit Board. Then perform changes to your board. Once you're done, tap on the Done button at the top right. And that's it. Thank you for watching the online help guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.